going to make snow, but we've got over here. And this is the water that we're going to add to this thing to make it snow. So, Mommy, what do we do first?
First put the powder. No, just do like this. No. Just
Everything?
like this.
Oh my.
Okay. Now let's try. Put water. I need little. Try little. Let me help you. Oh, see. See. See, it's becoming snow. So. Yes, wait, it's working. That's the artificial snow.
No.
Yeah. I think you need to put more water.
Yeah, because it's so soft. Mommy, that's a lot of water.
But it's still working. So mix it. Don't clean your hand with your shirt.
Right, just give me a spoon or something.
No, just mix it, but don't clean your hands with your shirt.
Mommy, just give me the spoon.
Okay, go and bring.
Alright, I'll bring it.
And let me see. Oh, it's really soft. But it's look like. Oh, it's really like snow.
Yeah, but it's actually soft.
Very soft.
Alright, now let me mix it, okay?
Oh. Can you bring more water to put it here?
Yeah.
Because it need more water. See, it's look real snow.
But it's not that real snow. And Mommy, I want to show you something so cool.
First, go and bring the.
Wait, look.
Yeah. Okay, go bring water. Where is your glass? Oh, it's looking so cool. I think we can do it. Okay.
Look, what's in the hand?
Balik sa mong kapwa.
I put it in the water.